been collecting some serious boxes for our orphanage, Bright Futures Nursery. Today we are taking the video of the serious boxes domino effect. And we start at 3, 2, 1, go! Lovely collection of serious boxes, and I'm now going to hand them over to my director, Serafina.
Thank you so much. I just want to thank everybody on behalf of Bright Futures Orphanage. There are 9 lovely children in that orphanage who are going to enjoy all the work that all the children, the parents and the staff from Bright Futures Nursery have donated these boxes to. I'll be sending some videos of these children so you can see them once they receive these, but I just want to say for now, thank you so much to all. Thank you. Thank you.